The parties involved in mediation, who should be there? The parties involved in mediation, who should be there? Mediation requires active participation between the key parties involved in the dispute. Including the right parties makes sure that any agreement reached is complete and binding. These are the individuals, or entities, whose interests are directly affected. It's important to identify all necessary parties for a successful mediation. Who should not be part of mediation? Mediation is not open to everyone. It's not a forum for bystanders, children, or anyone not directly involved. Sometimes family or friends might try to participate. But they are considered outsiders to the dispute and must get permission from all parties to be part of the mediation. This is because outsiders are not bound to the agreement and face no consequences if there is a breach. Outsiders may also obstruct the process in many ways. They may create conflicts of interest or complicate the negotiations between the parties. By including outsiders, you can lose focus, which hinders clear decision-making. Consequences of not having all parties present. If all necessary parties are not present, agreements may be unenforceable. Including the wrong parties can also lead to delays, increase costs, and breed mistrust. Notes on your jurisdiction. Rules about who is a necessary party may vary depending on the type of case and the jurisdiction. Consulting with an attorney or asking the judge on your case is essential to determine who should be involved in your specific mediation. Remember, including the correct parties is fundamental to a successful mediation. If you are unsure of who the correct parties are, be sure to ask for advice. We hope you enjoyed learning more about who should be part of your mediation. Please help Happy Mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people.